Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the Epic Games Launcher and go to Library to manage Fortnite. Click the three dots next to Fortnite to open options. Select Manage and look for any Directx or experimental settings. Disable any Directx 12 experimental toggles if present, and ensure the game is using standard settings. Close the Epic Games Launcher before adding a launch option to avoid configuration conflicts and ensure changes apply correctly. Open the Fortnite options in Epic Games Launcher and select Manage to reveal launch options. Scroll to the Launch Options field and type D3D11 exactly, with no extra characters or quotes. This flag forces the game to use DirectX 11 instead of DirectX 12 at startup. Save the setting by closing the Options dialog and restart the Epic Games Launcher once to ensure the change takes effect. Launch Fortnite and confirm the game runs under DirectX 11 after startup completes. Before changing DirectX, update your GPU drivers to the latest stable version from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. After adding the D3D11 launch option, verify Fortnite files via Epic Games Launcher to repair any corrupted or mismatched files. If the game fails to launch or performance drops, remove the D3D11 option and test performance versus DirectX 12 to compare. As a final step, run the game in windowed mode to check stability, and contact support only if issues persist after these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.